Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is September 18th, 2022, and we're taking the corn stalks down here. We're getting ready for fall time, and the corn is done. It's been harvested off. So what we do after the corn's done is we take and we bundle these for fall decorations. So we're taking a sharp pair of loppers here, and we cut these down at the base of the corn stalk there. Okay, so this is one of our bundles here. This is about 12 in this bundle here. And what we do is, this is a number 4 ply jute cord. And it's a lot, it's heavier than some of the other jute cords. So look at Michael. So what we're going to do is we reach under and we make sure we get all of the corn stalks in. Right here so you can see. And we're just going to tie it. I want it tight. And then we're going to put a knot in it here. Go. And then I tie mine in a bow. Just gonna get this cut here. Go. And there we go. And you can put these up by your door. You can put them like some people put them like if they have the brick like the brick columns, they put them up at them. They're just going to tie them fast. Now if you want to save some of these, if you're having like a Halloween party or something like that, what you can do is you can store them in a dry place. And you can save them for when you have your party. You can take them out then and go ahead and put them up. These would look really pretty with like pumpkins and mums. You can see all the ones that we have bundled here. So here's an ear of corn that we just found, and you can see it's sprouting. Those are actually corn sprouts there. So that definitely got pollinated. Got a lot over here too, kid. So we still have more to bundle up here, and I'm going to get back to work getting these bundled. So we still have more of these to cut down and get bundled, but that's just a way that you can decorate your home for fall time on the outside. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!